What's going on, guys? It's Justin here from Summit Racing, and we're over here with Shane from Silver Sport Transmissions. How's your show going, Shane? There's a lot going on here.
Man, it is day 3. It is packed. People walking around everywhere. It's going fantastic. Busier than ever.
Between LS swaps, Coyote swaps, you know, it's swapped the world. That is what we're doing with a lot of these hot rods nowadays.
Right.
And a lot of guys still want to do the third pedal thing, which we can all appreciate.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and you guys have made that really easy with kind of this kit we have here behind us. So why don't you tell us all about it, because it's really spectacular.
Yeah. So we have a new line of what we call our engine fit kits. Basically, if you've got a Tremec transmission, either a TKX, TKO, T-56 Magnum 6-speed, and an LS, small block Ford, small block Chevy, big block Chevy, we've basically made an entire package that allows you just to bolt those two things together, have all the nuts, bolts, and pieces you need to get it going. We're basically taking the guesswork out of it. The bell housing is going to be specific for your engine, your transmission. The flywheel is going to match your engine crank bolt pattern, whether it's 6-bolt, 8-bolt. And then we do you a McLeod clutch and flywheel that's designed to match right up with all of that. And then the hydraulic release bearing is also going to be specific for your transmission and engine application.
Man, being able to get everything all in one package in one big box is a huge weight off a lot of people's shoulders. You're gonna get working and enjoying your project all that faster, because when you have to work on something a lot, it gets a little discouraging.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, so we basically take all the guesswork out of it. Comes with everything you need to get her going. No question, set it up, bolt it up, ready to run. The packages we have out right now that are available through Summit are going to be the TKO TKX, the T-56, and the Magnum 6-speed.
Man, all great choices. So for whatever you want to run, what basically any power level you're working at, you're able to have the right transmission match for you. Head over to one of our 4 retail store locations or our website to check out the Silver Sport Fit Kits. It's been a lot of fun, Shane. I hope the rest of your show goes well, and I can't wait to see what you guys come out with in the future.
Likewise, much appreciate it. Thanks for having us on. We always appreciate working with Summit, and feel free to check it out on Summit.
Yeah, so until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Shane here, and we'll see you guys later.